Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Apin Rusanti Karunisa. Name 6701213093. And I will present my intrinsic report at 7 inch in the title is Designing User Interface Design UI/UX of Service Provider on the Website-Based Makeover ID application. The table of content is the first background. The second is problem statement, the third is purpose, the fourth is system analysis, and the fifth is analysis result. The background is, in the modern era, looking presentable and attractive has become a necessity for everyone. Makeup is not just a means of supporting one's appearance, but has also become a routine part of life, especially for women. In the rapidly evolving digital era, the creative industry is experiencing significant growth. Photography and videography have become important aspects, especially in the multimedia field. Increased awareness of appearance supported by technology opens up business opportunities in the beauty industry. So the solution was made an application, namely Makeover ID, which provides makeup, photoshoot, and video shoot service. By utilizing technology to facilitate ordering and transaction and create convenience for service providers. The problem statement to be studied is how to provide a good and efficient user interface design to help and facilitate service provider in managing service. The solution found is to create a user interface for a service provider that is easy to understand to help partners in marketing service through the Makeover ID application. Purpose: the goal is to create a user interface design that is designed effectively and efficiently to increase user convenience in marketing service and provide a better user experience. And then system analysis, job description and flow. The project being worked on Makeover ID web-based application by creating an integrated and structured project idea system. So as to produce good object output and in accordance with the company need. In working on the project, first briefing with the mentor and the team to discuss the application being made, what requirements are needed and what need to be made. After briefing and agreeing on what the application requirements are, if appropriate, it will process to the UI/UX design stage of the application. The method use design thinking method and have four stages. The first is empathize, gather as much information as possible about the project and user need, like consult with mentor or discuss with other UI/UX designer teams. And the second is define, collect all the information that has been obtained and observe the information to find out what ideas are suitable and interesting. And the third is ideate, designing solution ideas to solve problems that have been validated from the previous empathize and define process. And the last is prototype, is create an interactive flow that show how the design process works using Figma tools. And then is activity diagram. Activity diagram that describe the entire flow of activities in a system. The first activity is activity diagram login. The user opens the login page and then the system display the login page. The user must fill in the username and password, the data authentication system. If the data match, the dashboard page appears, and if the data doesn't match, the user must refill the username and password. And the second is activity diagram accept request. The first user opens the dashboard page and then opens the accept request page. The system display the page and the user choose between the request is accept or reject. The order is if accept, then display a successful receipt pop-up and the data is saved in the data system. If reject, the order display a successfully reject pop-up. And then activity diagram manage service. The first, user open page dashboard, open the service management page, and the system display the page. The user click the add new service button and fills in the service data information. Then fills in the service product name, service description, price, and photo of the service. Then the system saved the service data and the service was added successfully. And then activity diagram profile. User open profile page, system display the user profile page. User can fill in and change their username, email, address, telephone number, and password. Click the save button. System authentication data. If the data match, the data is saved. If not match, then reveal the data. And then use case diagram. Use case diagram help in describing the interaction between the user and the system, making it easier to understand how the system functions. In use case diagram, there is only one actor, is partner. The partner interaction with the use case, dashboard, profile, order, and manage service, and include with login. Login include with register, register include with data validation. And use case accept request extend with dashboard, income extend with dashboard, invoice data extend with order. And this is functionality description. There are half edge functionality. The first is login. This feature is the initial process to access the application by requiring users to login using a username and password. The second is sign in. This feature is the process of creating a new account to be able to access the Makeover ID application. And the third is dashboard. This feature displays the main page of the application which has accept requests, income, and can access other features on the dashboard. The fourth is accept request. This feature displays incoming customer order and allow partner to accept or reject order. The fifth is income. This feature displays the balance income earned by partner. The sixth is order. This feature displays data on all customer orders and can access invoice. The seventh is profile. This feature allows user to view and manage personal information that has been registered in the system. User can easily access and change their phone number, email, and password. And the eighth is manage service. This feature allows user to manage service by displaying a portfolio of service. Users can add photos of service, set price, and add description. And then is analysis result. In the analysis result, there is a mockup. The first image is page image login and sign in to enter the application makeover ID. And then this is page image dashboard. Dashboard is the main menu on the dashboard, display several features including income, service, number of order, service offered. And then page image income is display and income balance data. The page image of accept request is the display of incoming orders. The user can accept or reject the orders, and the display pop-up image order accept or reject. And then page image all orders display data on all incoming orders. Page image order process display order that are being processed. Page image order complete displays order that have been complete. Can see in the date filter using the calendar. If click details appears display the invoice image, pop up and can be downloaded. The page image profile display user data information and can change password, phone number, and emails. The page image manage service can add new service and fill in service information. Then if saved, the detailed service information is displayed. Conclusion. The result of the application design of website-based Makeover ID, service provider facilitate the marketing of makeup, photoshoot, and video shoot services. The design thinking method provides an appropriate approach in application development, facilitating data search, analysis, problem identification, and collecting ideas and solutions for project design. Suggestion. The system is expected to be developed into a mobile-based Makeover ID application. The UI/UX design of the Makeover ID website needs to be redesigned to maximize the interface. Further design should explore and research other methods. And that's all presentation from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.